Hi, my name is Liam Todd, and I'll be providing some examples for impulse and momentum. So, for impulse, the equation for impulse is force times time. To illustrate this example, I got on my bike and skidded into a trash can. For the first run, I started in a fixed point, put in 2 pedal strokes, and then skidded into the trash can.
Two pedal strokes.
For the second run, I started in the exact same place, but this time I put in 4 pedal strokes. So this was double the amount of pedal strokes, which in the equation for impulse is double the amount of time, assuming that each pedal stroke is the same amount of force.
4 pedal strokes.
This means that when I skidded into the trash can, I exerted twice the impulse on it because I had put in twice the amount of time for my pedaling force. Momentum is mass times velocity. In my experiment, I chose to focus on mass. In the first run, I used the same runs as I did with impulse. I biked into the trash can. To represent a greater mass, I got into my truck and drove through the trash can. Now obviously my truck has a much greater mass, so if I hit it with the same velocity as I did with my bike, it would go much further. Now, I was in my driveway and I didn't want to blow through the trash can and drive to my house, so what I did is I ended up hitting the trash can on my truck at a lower velocity than I did with my bike. Even though this happened, you can see that the trash can still went pretty far when I hit it with my truck. As far, if not farther, than when I hit it with my bike, even though the truck's velocity was much less. Because momentum is really just moving inertia, when I hit the trash can with my truck continued on as if nothing had happened, but I did hit the brakes. And same thing with my bike. When I hit the trash can, I just kept going. But because my truck was much more massive, it would have kept going much farther without the application of brakes than when I hit the trash can with my bike.